What's up and welcome. Ow! The box is really sharp. No one saw that. Welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're doing a freeze and drop test. We've got the iPhone XS here. Take off the wrapping. This thing is ready to potentially die. And in this corner we have the Galaxy S9 Plus. Which of these two phones will survive? Post your opinion in the top right. Let's go ahead and freeze these bad boys. Here we go. We're doing this a little differently this time. We're actually doing both devices in the same block of ice, side by side. Please don't spill. Please, please, please don't spill. Please no spill. Please no spill. Oh, I see it spilling right now. It's really hard to move it. It's like very easy to spill out of that. I'm pretty sure that last little whoosh spilled a whole bunch of water everywhere. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow morning and check out the results. We got Chad. It's okay. Stay.
You don't like the door.
Stay.
You don't like the door.
We're okay. Chad came over. He is here to help us drop test this ice case. This thing's been in here for about 16 hours. That looks frozen solid.
Yeah, it does. Oh.
And an iPhone XS.
There they are.
Oh my god.
That's sick.
Oh, it's like,
oh,
whoa!
There it goes.
It makes it so clear.
It's like, yeah, now you can really see it. There they are. The beautiful phones.
You can even read the iPhone and S9 Plus. There it is. Oh, okay, turn it off. We are free. That.
Yeah, that's a sweet looking shot too.
Oh my god.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's so freaking cold, dude. Oh my god, it's like, oh.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put it in the backpack.
That's a good idea.
Let's take it up to drop it. Here we go. 100% safe, right?
Yeah. It's only a little ladder. Oh my gosh.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
That was a very nice explosion.
Good stuff.
Perfect.
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 Perfect, he says.
Perfect.
Here it comes. I see
Here
it.
we go.
Okay, impact.
And
Kaboosh!
there we go.
Man, it looks like a pane of glass just shattering and coming completely apart. Especially,
Oh, yeah.
And I loved how we could see the phones like super clearly.
I know, it's good
on
the way that you
impact.
set them up because it just freaking makes it so
Oh yeah,
much more
I totally did that on purpose.
Yeah. You're like, yeah.
I'm just glad it didn't land top down.
Yeah.
Because then it would have been dead for both phones,
Yeah.
probably. Dang, it looks so cool with them flying away like that.
Oh yeah. iPhone definitely
man.
got more air though.
Way more air. And also, look, like the S9 Plus is landing on the ice, where the iPhone looks like it's completely dodging away from the main chunk of ice and hitting the concrete directly.
Yeah. With the ice block, pretty good case. I mean, maybe not usable, but you know.
Yeah, totally comfortable in the hand. Try putting it in your pocket.
Yeah, I know, right? Big old wet spot running down your leg.
Did you pee your pants?
Yeah, no, it's just the new ice case.
It's my case. Yeah, it's my ice case. No big
Freeze
deal.
it every night.
Well, let's go check out those phones and see if they survived. That was a perfect throw.
Yeah.
I'm pretty proud of it, actually.
Look how quick it melted.
Dude. Yeah, a lot of it's melted already. Let's take a look at this S9 Plus first. Check that out. Ooh.
Oh, I thought that was broken glass for a second because I'm looking through the screen.
Now we're good, I think.
good.
Let's see.
And?
Let's see. The other side, not shattered.
Looks really good.
Yeah, great condition on the outside, at least for the S9 Plus. Well, let's check out this XS. Ooh, we're cracked.
Ooh.
We are cracked on the
Hairline.
outside.
Ooh, hit right
It hit right there, yeah. Front looks good, I
Looks
think.
really good.
You know, I once had a crack like this, and then it like spider webbed throughout the whole thing.
Oh no.
And it started chunking off. The iPhone is already
way.
on. The iPhone XS is fully functional.
What?
I didn't even mean to turn it on. Maybe I accidentally turned it on. Oh, the S9
Oh,
Plus.
no way. These fend much better off than the other ones with water.
So I must have accidentally turned the iPhone on already, but it is on, or maybe the ice turned it on. I think the whole being frozen part is the hardest part because the water gets in there. And then it expands right around the seals and then it can flow into the internal components. But these are still just fine.
Perfect.
That is freaking amazing. Both phones survived. They both appear to be fully functional and we didn't even let them dry out. We just instantly started them up. I was a little worried about it, but that's fantastic. That's freaking fantastic. So there you go. Both phones technically survived, but the iPhone took a hair more damage because it's a hairline crack. Ah. I apologize.
Winner, chicken dinner for the
Winner, chicken dinner, victory royale #1. That's not.
That's not us.
There you go. Yeah. That's it for this episode of GizmoSlip. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Whew. Knew it.
Ready?
For what? I didn't know if you were catching it or me. I just put my hands there.
Good teamwork.
Teamwork. Makes the dream work. Noggin.